Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Google Notebook LM step by step. Google Notebook LM is an AI-powered research assistant that helps you organize information from multiple sources. You can upload PDFs, notes, websites, Google Drive files, YouTube videos, and even search the web directly from Notebook LM. It can summarize your content, answer questions, generate mind maps, create study guides, and even produce AI generated podcast style audio discussions based on your sources. Whether you're a student, researcher, teacher, business professional, or content creator, Notebook LM can save you hours of reading and organizing information. So let's get started. First, open any web browser on your computer. Go to Google and search for Google Notebook LM. From the search results, click on the official Notebook LM website. Before continuing, make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Once you've signed in successfully, you'll arrive at the Notebook LM homepage. To begin a new project, click the Create New button located in the top right corner. This opens a brand new notebook. Think of a notebook as a dedicated workspace for a specific topic or project. For example, you might create one notebook for studying, another for meeting notes, another for business research, or another for planning a product launch. At the top of the page, click on the notebook title and give your notebook a meaningful name. Using descriptive names makes it much easier to organize multiple notebooks later. Now it's time to add your first sources. If the sources panel isn't visible, simply click the toggle icon to show or hide it. The sources panel contains all of the documents, websites, videos, notes, and files that Notebook LM uses to answer your questions. Unlike a normal AI chatbot, Notebook LM only uses the information you provide, making its answers much more reliable for your own research. To begin adding content, click Add Sources. A new window will appear with several different options for importing information. Let's first upload a PDF document. Simply drag and drop your PDF into the upload window. After a few moments, Notebook LM finishes processing the document and your first source appears in the Sources panel. Now let's add another source. Click Add Sources again. This time we'll import a document directly from Google Drive. Select Google Drive, browse your files, choose the meeting notes document, and click Insert. Notebook LM now imports those meeting notes into your notebook. Next, let's add even more information. Click Add Sources once again. Now let's repeat the same process for a YouTube video. Paste the YouTube link and click Insert. Notebook LM analyzes the video's transcript and includes it as another research source. At this point, we now have 4 different sources inside our notebook. One of the newest and most useful features is the ability to search the web directly from Notebook LM. Instead of searching manually in Google, you can allow Notebook LM to search for relevant information that matches your topic. Click the Search the Web option. In the search box, type your topic. For this example, let's search for dessert trends. Press Enter to begin the search. Notebook LM searches the web and displays several relevant sources. Before importing them, you can preview each source. Simply click View. A complete list of matching sources appears. You can click the preview icon beside each result to quickly review the content before adding it to your notebook. After reviewing the available sources, choose the one that's most relevant. Uncheck any unnecessary results, keep only the source you want, and then click Import. Notebook LM immediately adds the selected web page to your sources panel. Now let's explore these sources in more detail. If you want to view any source, simply click on it from the left-hand panel. For example, let's open this PDF document. At the top of the page, Notebook LM automatically generates an AI summary of the document. Instead of reading dozens of pages yourself, you immediately get an overview of the most important points. Below the summary, you'll find the complete document, allowing you to scroll through every page whenever you need more detail. This makes reviewing long reports much faster and easier. Once you're finished, click Sources at the top to return to your complete list. As your notebook grows, you may end up with dozens of different documents. Fortunately, Notebook LM helps you stay organized. At the top of the Sources panel, click the auto tagging icon. Notebook LM automatically analyzes your documents and groups similar sources together into categories. This organization makes it much easier to find related information without manually sorting everything yourself. Now that we've added our sources, it's time to start using Notebook LM's AI capabilities. In the center of the screen, you'll find the chat panel. This is where you can ask questions about all of your uploaded sources using natural language. Instead of searching through multiple files manually, simply ask Notebook LM what you want to know. Let's try our first question. Type, summarize all of my sources, then press enter. Notebook LM begins analyzing every document you've uploaded. After a few moments, it generates a complete summary combining information from all of your sources. One feature that makes Notebook LM especially useful is its built-in citations. You'll notice small numbered references throughout the response. These citations show exactly where each piece of information came from. If you click any citation number, Notebook LM immediately opens the original document and highlights the exact sentence or paragraph that supports that answer. This allows you to verify information quickly without searching through dozens of pages yourself. Notebook LM automatically creates a note using that response. Over on the right-hand side, you'll now see your newly created note. This makes it easy to collect important ideas while doing research. You can continue asking questions and save only the answers that are most useful. Besides AI-generated notes, you can also create your own custom notes. Click the New Note button. Give your note a title. For example, you might call it Feedback. Then type your own thoughts, observations, reminders, or research findings. Once you've finished writing, Notebook LM gives you the option to convert this note into a source. Click this option. Your note now becomes another source inside your notebook. One of the most useful tools available here is the mind map feature. Before generating a mind map, you can choose exactly which sources Notebook LM should use. Now select only the documents related to your chosen topic. Notebook LM begins processing your documents. After a few moments, it creates a visual mind map showing how all of the ideas, topics, and concepts connect with each other. The generated mind map makes complex information much easier to understand. You can zoom in, zoom out, move around the diagram, and click individual topics to explore them in more detail. Instead of reading pages of text, you can immediately see the relationships between different ideas in a clear visual format. Overall, Google Notebook LM is one of the most powerful AI research assistants available today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.